Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very special for you guys. I'm gonna show you how I did this beautiful look for Valentine's Day. Yes! You wanna look good when you go out and fabulous too. Okay guys, so I'm gonna ask you to please, if you haven't done so, to please subscribe to my channel, like the video and activate the bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload into YouTube. So that being said, let's go to the video. Yes! Okay, so I already have some moisturizer on my skin, my face, and also I apply some sunscreen, but I just want to show you guys the one that I like the most in case you want to get it. So let's get started. So let's see, I like to use a primer and I love to use TATCHA. Okay, I love this primer. I have different kinds, but right now this is the one that I really like, feel like. I have a mirror right in front. By the way, we are at my home studio, hair studio at home in Portland. I love having my own space to do my clients in here. It's such a relief, you know, when you are your own boss, so you can do as you please. I love it. Let me check my mirror because I want to make sure that this is. I have my Jeffree Star cosmetic mirror. Okay. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani on the shade number, let's see if I can see it, 5.75. I love this one. I'm pretty sure I'll still make it. I mean, this lasts me such a long time. So I'm just gonna put a pump. 2 pumps. And I'm just gonna put on my, let me just take my mirror. So I'm just gonna take the beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend. Yes guys, I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Very romantic and very fabulous, darling. Lots of chocolate and strawberries. And who knows? Yes, you know what happens. What happens in Portland stays in Portland. Yes. You see? It looks so natural on me, this foundation. I don't put a lot, this is enough. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer and I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star concealer on shade number 5. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. Let's show you. I'm just gonna take a little bit and just put it on my back of my hand like this. I found that by putting it a little bit in there and then just taking that tiny bit and just putting it on my eyes, because less is more. I mean, when you're older, you have a lot of lines under your eyes, so you don't want to put like a blob of concealer everywhere because it's gonna look too cakey, you know? So after that, I'll take the damn beauty blender and just push it into the skin. So that pushes the product in. Okay, now for contour, I'm gonna use a contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and this is on the color Mocha. Let's see if you can, this focus in here. This also you have to be very careful not to put too much. So I put a little bit in here, just to camouflage my receding hairline. I put a tiny bit in here, like in a triangle shape. Women, they usually want to contour their cheekbones, so they go like this. On men, you have to do, because we have beards, you have to do go all the way down. This I learned from Wayne Goss. He's a makeup artist from England. So you see, so I just make it like a triangle shape, and then carve my jawline. So you draw a line, and then just put a little bit, just lines like this to shadow your neck. So that's all you need. Then for this, I'm gonna take a blending brush. I have this one from Smashbox 21. I don't know the number. So, and then I'm just gonna blend it. Blend the contour into the hairline. And blend this. This is gonna give you the illusion of like contouring on your cheeks. And then I'll always go down on my neck and on the ears. Jawline. And then just push back on the neck. Yes! Getting fabulous. And I'm putting way more than I usually do. I'm just doing this just because to show you guys on the tutorial. Otherwise, if I put the amount that I use on a day-to-day basis, you won't be able to see it. So I want you guys to see it, so that's why I'm putting extra color. But I wouldn't go out like this. This is way too much. Okay, that looks good. And then I take a kabuki brush and I blend everything together. Foundation, all the cream stuff. Foundation and contouring stick. It's all about the blend. So everything looks like it's coming within. Don't forget the ears and the neck. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna be putting some blush. And I like to use Nars Orgasm. It's my favorite blush ever. I think this is the perfect color for me. It looks great on my skin tone. So I'm gonna use let me see the number. This is a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number. It's like an angle brush. So I'm just gonna take, and I'm gonna put it right over here in this area here. Look how beautiful. Come on, blush. Yes, give me life. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my God, yes. Perfect. And again, I'm gonna go with the kabuki brush. And I'm just gonna blend it. That's my husband, he's coming home. Let me just turn off the phone. Sorry for that. Okay, after that, let's see what we have in here. If you feel like you want to have more bronziness, I usually use the Hoola bronzer. Let me just put a tiny bit more. And I'm gonna be using this fan brush from Morphe. It's a big fan brush. So I'm just gonna take this mostly on the corner of my receding hair, on the forehead. Beautiful. Are we liking it? Yes. So now I'm gonna do something that is not conventional. This next step is not what people usually do, but I do what works for me. So I'm just going to set the makeup before the powder. Yes. And there's a big reason for that. Okay, so let me just set the makeup on. Yes. I'm gonna take the blow dryer on in the warm setting, and I'm just gonna dry it up. Perfect. So like I was telling you guys, the reason why I don't set the makeup with the powder and I use the setting spray first is because I noticed that every time that I put the powder and then put the setting spray and then dry the face, it was looking way too shiny for me. I set it after that. By the way, I'm using the magic powder from Tilbury, my favorite, and this is on the color medium, I believe, medium. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, another fluffy Smashbox 21 brush. It doesn't have a number, so I'll let you guys know. If I find the number somewhere, I'll put it on the description box. So I'm just gonna set it now. You see? It makes a huge difference. This works much better for me. I'm gonna take the kabuki brush again and brush the excess. Okay, now, if I want to add a little bit of highlight, I got this brush from It Cosmetics set, and I'm gonna be using this Hourglass highlight palette. Let me see what it has a name. It's called, no, it doesn't have a name. Oh, Ambient. It's the Ambient highlighting palette. So I'm gonna be using, let's see. I'm gonna use this in here. Let me see if it has a name. Absolute Strobe. Oof, beautiful. So I'm just gonna put it. Oof, yes. Come on, Hollywood lights. Oof. Look, girl. Yes, we're shining. Yeah. And I'm gonna put a little bit in here on the Cupid's bow. That's too much. A little bit in here and a little bit on the center of my nose. Like this. Why not? Perfect. And I also like to blend that out. Now for the brows, I used to spend like $25 on an eyebrow gel, but you know what? I discovered this from Covergirl. It's very inexpensive and to me it's the same thing. So let me just use my mirror again. By the way guys, I have a special surprise for you. I'm gonna be getting my eyebrows microbladed within the next couple of weeks. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to the place this artist does his work. The place is called Evolution Hair Design, and that's the salon that I used to work. And beautiful, wonderful people. So yes, so I'm gonna be going there within the next couple of weeks, I think, and I'm gonna be vlogging the whole experience for you guys. Okay, now for the lips, I'm gonna use some of Sephora Clear lip plumper. Yes. Let me pull you closer so you can see the masterpiece. Yes, look at this. So now I'm gonna be finishing doing my hair. So let me just finish doing my hair and we'll dry it again with no product. So how are we looking? I need some product, but I'm not gonna put anything until before I go out. I have some hairspray already in the hair. I mean, it's not that bad. Anyway, I'm getting a haircut in a couple of days, and I'm also gonna be taking you there. So you know Bryce at Willow Salon. He's my my favorite hairdresser. He does my hair. I want to share with you my nail color. It's called Red Carpet, and this is my nails, and I love this, especially for Valentine's Day, girls and boys. Don't forget, get your nails ready. Yes. Okay, girls and boys, thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and activate the bell so you can get notifications whenever I post to Instagram. Okay guys, until the next one, ta-ta.